Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be dismantling the myths about the credit score and how much time you need to actually gain one, especially if you're as a newcomer, need one for a lot of different purposes like mortgage, like renting even a space. Let's say you do want to have a good credit score in less than 3 months. The first thing, you need to open a credit cards. I would advise 2 of them. Capital One, which will give you a credit up to £200, and American Express, which will give you a credit of up to £5,000. That's right. So if you have these 2 credit cards, you're already good to go. Don't try to do it with big banks. They're not going to give it to you because you're a newcomer. Doesn't matter how much money you have. Use these credit cards up to maximum that you can afford and cover them the full amount every 28 days. It will raise your credit score really fast. Just make sure you cover up to a cent. It has to be 0 at the end of 28 days. Register for local vote. I'm gonna explain a description how to do it. Even if you're not a citizen of the country, you can still vote locally. Do not open too many accounts, even if it's debit or credit, within the first 6 months, because that can actually put your credit score down because they would assume you need a lot of money and you don't have them. So open 2 or maximum 3 accounts within 6 months. Do not go crazy. That's the advices that helped me a lot as a newcomer. I'm from Russia, came to the UK without having any connections or credit score or anyone who can actually help me here. And now I'm doing great. I'm renting my own flat and I have a good credit score. So thrive, prosper, and just be happy. Bye-bye.